Yes, you will fall in love with this fabric. I am talking about today's launch. मैं अनुजा जैन स्टूडियो सुई धागा इंदौर से आज मैं आपके लिए फिर से कुछ नया कुछ स्पेशल लेके आई हूँ इन दिस न्यू ईयर एंड विशिंग यू ऑल अ हैप्पी एंड अ प्रॉस्पेरस न्यू ईयर. सो गाइज, अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आज ही सब्सक्राइब करें, और अगर आपने अभी तक किसी भी फ्रेंड या फैमिली को शेयर नहीं किया है तो शेयर कीजिए. यू कैन विजिट अवर वेबसाइट, इट्स www.studiosuidhaga.com and you can connect with us also on Insta page. It's studio_sui_dhaga by Anuja Jain. तो हर फ्राइडे मैं आपके लिए कुछ नया लाती हूँ. तो आज मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ लवली ब्यूटीफुल एवर ट्रेंडिंग मोडाल सिल्क सूट सेट्स. Yes, you will fall in love with this fabric. It's so smooth, it's so light in weight. The fall is totally amazing. I just can't wait. I'm so excited to show you. So let's start showing you these lovely pieces. So firstly I'll show you the piece which I have shown on the dummy. It's a very lovely cream color, and these are two pieces suit sets. This is your top 2.5 meter and this is the dupatta. You can team up these with any of your pants, plain pants. So you see the fall of the fabric. It's amazing. And the beauty of this fabric is it's totally bamboo based silk. तो आप इसको summers में भी पहन सकते हैं. Yes, you can wear it in summer also. It's very comfortable. So this was our first piece. It's a lovely piece on cream color. So first I'll show you all the different prints we have in the cream shade. Okay, and these all dupattas are accessorized with handmade fabric tassels. आप देख सकते हैं. Okay, and one piece I have shown over here. It's on beautiful bottle green color. And this is the dupatta. So let me start showing you. We have 4-5 different colors. So one by one I'll show you all the pieces. So this is first piece on the blue. So this is the top and this is the dupatta. It's a lovely combination. You can team up with any of your plain pants. They look very nice, and if you want we can match also for you. But right now we have giving you these sets as a 2-piece sets. It's top and dupatta. So this was the first piece. Then we have second piece. It's a jal. So this is the second piece with buta dupatta. And pictures of these all will be shown at the end of the video. Then we have this indigo blue with so this is the third. Then the next color of the blue. The fall, the feel of this fabric, can you see? It's really amazing. See, the color combination prints are so lovely, so different. Just give a perfect ethnic smart look. Then we have black. Yes, it's a lovely geometrical print in the black with this lovely buta. So this is the next piece we have on black. It's a lovely satin black color. And this is the dupatta. It's a very lovely piece. Then this is the red color. It's a dark brick red color, I must say. A buta with a jal. Then this is the print with this lovely dupatta. And dupatta is so nice, even you can team up with your lehengas, skirts, just like those who love doing mix and match. So these dupattas are 2.5 meter each. So you will just love these dupattas. Then a very lovely mustard yellow color. Yes, it's a proper mustard yellow. Can you see the beauty of this color? A very ethnic traditional color. So we have 2-3 different prints in it. We have buta with jal. Now again we have this geometrical print with this beautiful buta. It's a very different and lovely concept. I just love this. So this was the beautiful collection on mustard color. Now I'll show you the cream one. It's again a draw. With this open jal. So each and every piece is different with their own beauty of the combinations of the prints and the butas. So you just choose according to your choice. Then we have this jar. Again the combination on buta. This is on cream color. With this dupatta. So this was the collection on the modal suit sets, and one piece as I have shown you on the bottle green color is over here. And the pricing of these suit sets are just 3,999 each, and this is the offer of the day. And guys, before signing off, I just want to show you two lovely pieces for the first time we have just tried. So I just want to see your response, how you people liked it, and just give your suggestions and feedbacks on these two lovely pieces. So this is the first piece. It's on again modal silk, but this whole piece is highlighted with mirror work. It's a hand mirror work. Can you please come closer and show? and this is the dupatta. It's all full dupatta is hand embroidered. Can you see? And the pricing for this set is for 6500. It has bottom also. Sorry, I just missed to show you, but I'll show you in the picture. So this is a complete set. The top is fully hand embroidered, highlighted with mirror work, and this is the dupatta, and it has bottom also. So I'll show you in the picture. And one more set we have. So this is the top, this is your bottom, and this is beautiful dupatta. It has tissue pallu, and it has this middle work over here, so it's a very different concept. So these were the two designer pieces that we have tried for the first time, and the pricing for this one is also for 6500. So let's see how you people appreciate, love these fabric. And if you're ordering for the first time, connected with us for the first time, so what you have to do, आपको हमारा वीडियो देखने के बाद सारी पिक्चर्स मिलेगी इन प्रोडक्ट्स की, सारा कोड्स लिखे होंगे उनके ऊपर, आपको कोड्स डाल के हमसे पूछना है. एंड टू इंक्वायरी यू कैन कनेक्ट विद अस ऑन द व्हाट्सएप. इट्स 9039717636. ओके, आप कंफर्म कर सकते हैं अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. Then you can do the online payments and will dispatch your products. And on the website, these products will be add on the Monday. Okay, for the 2 days you have to connect with me. Okay, for more details again you can connect with us on the WhatsApp. So guys, this was a beautiful collection on the modal silk. Hope you all love it. Do give your feedbacks and suggestions, they are always welcome. So this is Anuja Jain from Studio Sri Dhaga. See you next week at the same time, same channel. Bye, have a nice weekend.